Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude AI app to your iPhone calendar so it can read and manage your events. This is super useful if you want help scheduling, checking availability, or organizing your day. Let's get started. First, open the Claude app on your iPhone. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. From here, tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the menu. Now go into Permissions. Inside Permissions, tap on Calendar. Here, you'll see two important options, Read Access and Write Access. Read Access allows Claude to see your events, and Write Access allows it to create or edit events for you. To fully connect Claude with your calendar, set both options to Always. This ensures everything works smoothly without interruptions. Once both are set, that's it. Claude is now connected to your iPhone calendar. Now, it can help you manage your schedule, suggest times, and even create events for you. And remember, you can always come back here and change permissions anytime.